Hello guys, hope you guys all doing well. So today I will be showing you how to download AdGuard on Ubuntu and how to access it and what is it used for. So AdGuard is a tool that blocks annoying ads and stops websites from tracking what you do online. It makes your browsing faster, safer and more private by keeping unwanted traffic stuff away. It can also help protect kids online by blocking harmful content. So basically you decide which website you want to block, which platform, what application, all of those. So I will be showing you that on I have it on Proxmox. If you have it on VirtualBox it's the same. So and I will be accessing it through PuTTY, which is SSH, but first I will show you how to get the IP address to access it. So that's the one I have. I already did the IP address, so my IP right here it's 10.11.200.51. So we will open PuTTY, bring it here, do 10.11.200.51, and then we'll do open, then accept, login as well. We don't need this anymore. We minimize that one. Login as my username was networks, and the password, we enter the password. Alright, I'm in. So it's a one command that you put. I already have it ready, and I will be putting that command in the description below, so you don't have to struggle and then go look for it. So just copy, then paste the command here. It's asking us for the password. It's a one command, that's all you need to get AdGuard installed. Alright, that's it. So now it will give us an IP to access AdGuard with the port. So it's the same IP with the port of 3000, so 3000. Now we open page, and then what we will do is you can either copy paste it or just type it. So 10.11.251 port 3000. So that's the first thing you see when you don't need Ubuntu anymore. You can close it. Alright, so get started. So showing you AdGuard home admin web interface will be available on the following addresses. So basically you can access it from all these ones. We keep that as it is. This one just change it to 54, and then we do next. Set a username. I will do networks, then password, next, and then open dashboard. Now we just log in. So networks, and then the password, enter. Alright, there you have it. So now what you can do is go into setting or filters, and then custom filtering rules. You can add your custom. There is example to show you how to do it. And then over here, for example, I want to block Apple streaming, I want to block Blizzard, Casino, or Canias, I thought it's Casino somehow, AliExpress. You get to pick whatever you want to block. I will show you an active one I have at the moment, which is the one I'm using, and how is it gonna look like. So that's the one I'm using right now. If you see, there is 490 blocked by filter. I go on them. That's how it shows you, and then you go on details. I will show you name, advertisement, and then domain, date, time, all of that. All these are being blocked right now, so my DNS is blocking it. And then to configure your DNS on the firewall, what you have to do, I'll bring my firewall here just to show you. Give me a sec. Alright, let me get that one here. So that's my firewall. It's a FortiGate. So you go on LAN, and then over here you just put your DNS server, which is the 10.11.200.51. I just minus 252, and then I have 2, and the other one is 251. So you just replace it here, and then I have IP addresses range, so any range from the 10.11.200.50 to 10.11.200.151, so basically 100 IP addresses. Anything within that range, their DNS by default will be the AdGuard one. Alright guys, hope this video helped you, and if you guys have any question, just write it in the comments. Have a good one.